didn't know we'd started. You might be thinking, what the? It's the UPS guy. See what he wants. I can't hear him from here. The UPS guy just walked in the middle of our crazy transition. Hey, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Carpigiani, Carpigiani. Biggest manufacturer of ice cream equipment throughout the world. I've been on tour at their factory. They're in Bologna, Italy. Fabulous. Museum of Gelato. Fabulous. Their link is down below. We thank them very much for their episode sponsorship. Today we want to talk to you about something relatively simple, shouldn't take too long, but it's a pretty rudimentary question that we get asked all the time, and there's not always a right answer or wrong answer, and that is, what type of milk should we make our milkshakes with? So most of you will have an area in the store where you do your shakes. This is our kind of shake slash topping slash fudge area in the store that we have here. We have a fridge close by. We keep, as just a matter of convenience, 4% milk, 3.8% or full cream milk in our shakes. And the reason why we use this makes it a little bit richer. Look, in the grand scheme of things, the difference between 2% milk, or the blue label milk, and full cream milk, 3.5%, it's only 2% fat. And the thing is that when someone's ordering a shake, it's more than likely going to be a 16-ounce cup with 3 3-ounce scoops of 14 to 16% butterfat ice cream in it. So when it comes down to it, it doesn't honestly make a difference as to whether you're using 2% milk or whether you're using full cream milk like we use here. The reason why we use this is because we make a lot of gelato products, and a lot of them we use from a 4% milk base, so it's just convenient for us to use the 1 fat percentage milk for our gelato products as well as our shakes. Honestly, it's not worth the process of getting 4% milk for our gelato, 2% milk for shakes, and in fact some places even use a shake mix where they're mixing milk and ice cream mix to make their shake base. We've done a video on that. Madeline will hook that up down the bottom, so there's a link down here to that video, but honestly it doesn't really matter all that much. I don't see the process of getting skim milk in or lactate in if you're putting your products into a full cream ice cream shake. Now if you've got things that you're blending like a frozen yogurt shake and you'll have like a non-fat milk, I can see that, but honestly people aren't coming in to an ice cream shop and asking for a shake and expecting something that's totally healthy. They're going to lean towards a smoothie or an acai bowl or something like that. So I say use whatever milk is convenient for you. We use the full cream milk because we use it with other products. I'm interested in what milk you use. Do you use a shake base? Do you use full cream? Do you actually get in some lower fat milk? Let us know in the comments, and while you're tip-tapping along there in the comments, look, put something in there, ask us a question, hit like, hit subscribe. We'd love for you to join in the party every time that we broadcast. That's all we have time for. I do want to thank our episode sponsor again, Carpigiani. Their link is down below. And obviously, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, conundrums, manamatas, drop us a line. We'd love to help you. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.